Welcome to our guide on how to view a previous comment you've made on Facebook. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, open the Facebook app on your Android device and log into your account. Navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture located at the top of the screen. Tap on the three dots to access additional options for managing your profile settings. Select Activity Log from the menu to view your activity history on Facebook. For your comments, swipe left on a public post to reveal more options. Tap on Your Comments to filter and view the comments you've made on posts. Next to the comment notification, tap on the three dots to access additional options. Finally, tap on View to see the full context of your comment within the post. By following these steps, you can easily locate and view a previous comment you've made on Facebook. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to efficiently find and view your past comments on Facebook. Keep track of your interactions and engagements using these simple steps.